Did you hear that rumbling, Rox?
I only had time for 2 breakfasts. My tummy's still hungry.
Not your tummy. Something is shaking the ground.
Yummy leaves are my favorite!
See? I told you. It's not your tummy.
No, but that is.
Ouchie!
Nova, come in. I think I heard an Odd-Paw in trouble. Can you see anything from the sky?
Something's happening over by the cliff. Meet me there?
We're on our way.
An Odd-Paw needs help. Better get set.
This jump's for Billy.
Billie the Odd-Paw Vet.
That's strange. I'm sure I heard an Odd-Paw in trouble.
I thought I heard something too, but it was probably Rox's tummy again.
He does love his treats.
Can I try a bite?
Of course. It's a floating head.
Oh, Rox, what is...
Hello!
Oh. Hello? Are you okay?
Well, not really. I'm a little tied up.
Quick, Nova, Rox, grab that vine before it snaps! Otoscope. Half kangaroo, half giraffe. This Odd-Paw is a kangaraffe.
Ouch! My foot!
What do we do now, Billy?
Well, that nasty splinter's gonna have to come out. And we'll need to do some tests to make sure her head is okay. Come on, let's get you to the care clinic so we can get you all fixed up. The scanner will help me take a closer look at Kangaraffe's head. Well, thankfully your head is just fine. But there is one thing left to do. I'll pull out that splinter with some tweezers. Steady.
You got this.
Steady.
Be brave.
3, 2. Got it.
Yay!
Wow! I didn't even feel a thing, Billy!
Good. Now just promise that you'll watch where you're going in the forest from now on. Gotta be careful with that long neck.
You got it! Hup. Oh! Ouchie!
Let's get some ice on that bump. And a plaster.
And maybe you should also have one of these.
We've saved every Odd-Paw we've ever met. Way to go, Billy, the Odd-Paw Vet.
You want this, huh? Ready, buddy? Go get it!
Huh?
What was I thinking? That ball is covered in germy dino pup slobber.
Any Odd-Paw news from town?
Nope, nothing to report. But I still need to do a sweep through the forest.
Well, you better get moving. It's almost time for lunch.
Lunch? I love lunch.
Rocks, I said almost time for lunch.
Yummy!
Whoop, hop, hop. Watch out for the trees. Aha! Woo!
Pardon me, ma'am, but aren't you forgetting something?
Me? Forgetting something? I don't think so. Was I hopping too fast? Oh, yeah. Well, the thing is, I can't seem to find the helmet Billy gave me.
You lost your helmet?
Yeah, I'm being very safe.
Oh, no. Nova to Billy. Come in, Billy. Nova to Billy. Nova to Billy.
Billy here. Everything okay, Nova?
Not really. I've got an Odd-Paw down in the forest. Sending the location now.
Got it.
And Billy, we're gonna need the ambulance. This Odd-Paw's too big for the Odd Buggy.
Roger that, Nova. Come on, Rocks. Lunch is gonna have to wait.
Wait? For how long? I'm hungry.
An Odd-Paw needs help.
Better get set.
This jumps for Billy.
Billy the Odd-Paw Vet!
Billy, we're over here.
There! I see them!
She hit her head on a low branch on the path. She wasn't wearing her helmet because she lost it.
Otoscope. Half kangaroo, half giraffe. This Odd-Paw is our friend, Kangaraffe. Strong heartbeat. That's a good sign. Kangaraffe, can you hear me?
Billy? Is that you? Oh, my head.
It's tricky being an Odd-Paw with such a long neck, huh? Those low branches can come out of nowhere. Now your eye will be fine with an ice pack, but that cut is going to need to be treated. Can I help you with that?
Oh, yes, please.
Rocks, can you please grab a blanket from the ambulance so we can keep Kangaraffe nice and warm?
I'm on it.
And Nova, can you help me hold her head really still? This might sting just a tiny bit. Well done, Kangaraffe. That doesn't look right. We better get Kangaraffe back to the clinic. I'm a bit worried about her swollen tummy.
Back to the clinic and back to my sandwich. Dino 5.
Nice manners, Rocks.
Who, me? Thanks.
Wow. Did you say that you lost your helmet?
Yeah, hopefully it will turn up. I've looked everywhere for it.
Not everywhere.
There it is. Now I remember. I put it someplace I would never forget. But then, well, I forgot.
Well, it'll work better on your head than in your pouch.
Oh, you're probably right.
Sounds like you're hungry. I'm sure Rocks would share a bit of his sandwich.
I could make another one. We've saved every Odd-Paw we've ever met. Way to go, Billie the Odd-Paw Vet.
Park Ranger Melinda, reporting for duty.
Welcome to Odd Springs. We're
No. These wildflowers are far too wild. There. Much better. And this grass is way too long.
well, we're very excited to have a
Needs to taste more soily.
Okay, looks like you've got everything under control. If you need any help with Odd-Paws, remember that Billie is always just a call away.
Thank you, Nova. But I'm sure I'll be, well, just fine. I'm sure I won't need any help at all.
Good luck!
Wait, did she say Odd-Paws? Never heard of them. Wait, did that cat just fly off?
Hey, what was that?
Excuse me. Hello. There is no hole digging in this forest. Hello.
Can you believe it, Rox? A real-life park ranger in Odd Springs. I hope she's getting settled in well.
I bet she knows everything about Odd-Paws.
I'm not sure. She didn't seem to know anything. I'm not even sure she noticed that I was one. Oh, Rox.
A little help, please.
Well, I can't wait to meet her. Melinda the Park Ranger. Sounds totally professional.
Hello? Mr. Rabbit, a word, please.
Yeah! What was that?
Hello. You just need a moment of your time. Aw, aren't you a cute little bunny? Come on out. We need to have a little chat about the rules. A flying bunny? Billie, hello? Hello? Is anyone there?
Billie here. How can I help?
There's a bunny, but it can fly. Like a dragon. Hit tree. Not flying anymore. Come in.
Don't worry. We're on our way.
See? I told you. She doesn't know a thing about Odd-Paws.
Well, she's gonna learn real quick.
An Odd-Paw needs help. Better get set.
This jump's for Billie.
Billie the Odd-Paw Vet. Rox, quick. Grab me an ice pack from the Odd Aid kit for the big bump on his head.
I'm on it.
This'll stop your bump swelling.
What is it exactly?
Ah! Not you again. Ugh.
It's okay, buddy. She's a friend. Otoscope. Half bunny, half dragon. This Odd-Paw's a bunny gun.
We didn't get off on the best foot, did we, little guy? Aw. Is he gonna be okay?
He's got a pretty big bump on his head, so I want to keep an eye on him at the clinic. But he should be fine after a little TLC.
Here, let me help. After all, if there is a whole forest of these Odd-Paws, I better get used to it.
Come on, Bunny Gone. Let's check you out. The scanner will help me see if Bunny Gone has any more boo-boos. There you go, Bunny Gone. Good as new. Just to be safe, I want you to sleep here tonight, okay?
Sleepover! We've saved every Odd-Paw we've ever met. Way to go, Billy the Odd-Paw Vet! Achoo!
Okay, if there's one thing I know about sneezes, it's that they only happen twice. Achoo! Aw, 3 sneezes. This is serious. I should go see Billy the Odd-Paw Vet. Achoo! 4. Achoo! 5. Achoo! 6. Oh boy, oh boy.
Home, sweet home.
That was the best holiday ever! Did you guys see the sandcastle I made? Well, I brought it with me in case you didn't. Oh, man.
Nothing tires you out, does it, Rox? Even after a really long journey.
Why don't you get some rest, Billy?
Great idea, Nova. I'm just glad we don't have to work until tomorrow.
Help!
Spoke too soon.
Billy, thank goodness. I've been sneezing non-stop. I think there's something seriously wrong. Achoo! Ugh.
An Odd-Paw needs help. Better get set.
This jump's for Billy!
Billy the Odd-Paw Vet. Autoscope. Half bunny, half dragon. This Odd-Paw's our friend, Bunny Gun. Don't worry, Bunny Gun. We'll sort you out. Rest will have to wait. Now I'm just gonna take a closer look to see what all the sneezes are about.
Those are my swimming goggles.
Right. Good spot, Nova. That was a test. And you passed. Okay, let's take a listen. Heartbeat seems normal. Now open wide and we'll take a look at your throat. Say, ah.
Achoo! 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 Achoo!
Isn't knocking things over usually my job?
Oh no. Are you okay, Bunny Gone?
I'm fine. Achoo!
Okay. Think, Billy, think. What causes sneezes? A cold! You must have a cold. I'm sure I've got some cold medicine up here. Some herbal nasal spray ought to do it. Now just hold still. I'm gonna do one quick spray up your nose and it'll make you feel all better.
Uh-oh.
Feeling better? Uh-oh. Billy!
I think that might have made it worse.
Ooh, thanks, Nova. I don't know what's wrong with me today.
Nothing's wrong with you. You're just exhausted.
Nova's right. You shouldn't be so hard on yourself. You've had a super long day.
I guess. But what are we gonna do? I can't just go take a nap. Bunny Gone's gonna set the whole clinic on fire.
Achoo!
I know something that might wake you up.
Stop, you're tickling me. Wait, that's it.
See? Works every time.
Bunny Gone doesn't have a cold or the flu or anything like that. Something's tickling his nose. Uh-huh. Yep, you definitely got something stuck up there.
I don't normally keep things in my nose.
All right, I'm gonna need you to stay perfectly still and try not to sneeze. Gotcha!
The carrot stalk! Ah, where's the carrot?
Way to go, Billy!
Yeah, Billy!
Thanks, team. Looks like you need to be a bit more careful when you're munching on those carrots.
Oh, I will. Thank you so much. And sorry for almost burning down your clinic.
Oh, it's okay. Oh, right. Time for me to get some rest.
And time for me to make another sandcastle! Aw, man!
We've saved every Odd-Paw we've ever met.
Way to go, Billy, the Odd-Paw Vet!